This week we're going to highlight the latest crop condition updates and weather trends here in the U.S. We're going to turn our attention to Brazil, where harvest is winding down. We're going to wrap things up then with a long-term review of December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved into the last week in August here, and this corn market is exceptionally volatile. Let's take a look now at the latest crop condition updates from the USDA. The USDA came out here Monday this week and indicated good to excellent had dropped 3 percentage points from 60 to 57% this week. Notice a year ago at this time we were at 71%. Really all the states across the heart of the Corn Belt were either unchanged or lower. We did see modest improvement down in the south. Let's take a look at the latest crop condition index now. You can see we declined now. The index has declined for 6 consecutive weeks. Really looking at a significant difference between the last year or two, but again, still looking at some potential for volatility in that index as the growing season begins to wind down. Let's take a look at crop progress. Now we're looking at U.S. corn dented this week. It's currently at 45%. U.S. corn dented on average increased approximately 31% from August 23rd into September 6th, which is Labor Day. So we're looking on average over the next 2 weeks, we'll be approaching 75% of the corn dented by that first full week of September. Weather is still important for corn here as we wind down August. Let's take a look at the latest short-term trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Starting out here looking at the trends in precip over the last 15 days. Quite a divergence in rainfall here. Looking at some heavy rainfall there across Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. But as we move further north and west across parts of southern Minnesota, into eastern parts of North Dakota, as well as South Dakota, it's been quite dry, so quite a divergence. Let's look ahead now to the short-term forecast. We're looking at a change coming up this weekend. Very warm and hot temperatures with some T-storms starting here August 29th to the 30th and continuing into that first week of September. Let's look at rainfall now over the next 7 days. Now, the next 7 days, relatively light amounts. You can see north there into Wisconsin, parts of northeast Iowa, parts of Michigan. We're going to see some rainfall, but as you move further south across the heart of the Corn Belt, not much rain this week. A little bit out west. Let's take a look at rainfall totals now over the next 2 weeks. Well, the next 2 weeks you can see on our map here, we're looking at many areas here, particularly west of the Mississippi River, are going to be a bit dry. As you move east of the Mississippi River across parts of eastern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, it looks like it's going to be closer to normal as well as in the southeast. Let's shift gears now and look at trends in Brazil where harvest is wrapping up. Now, second crop corn harvest in Brazil is over 90% complete now and will wrap up here as we move into early September. With that completion of harvest, exports are set to notably increase during the month of September, extending into October. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. We've seen a significant rally in December corn here. As we tape here on Tuesday, December futures have made a contract high and are trading near $5.20 a bushel. It's critical that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and avoid price prediction. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 309-664-2300. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an update. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.